This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the Bookmarks toolbar in the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To show or hide your Bookmarks toolbar in the Floorp browser, it's very easy to do. If you look up top here, you can see I have my Bookmarks toolbar enabled. To enable it or disable it, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks and click on Bookmarks. Then you'll go straight up, and mine says Hide Bookmarks Toolbar. If your Bookmarks Toolbar is not displayed like mine is, it'll say Show Bookmarks Toolbar. Mine says Hide. I'm going to click on Hide Bookmarks Toolbar. And as you can see, my Bookmarks Toolbar has disappeared. Now to bring it back, you repeat the same steps. I'm going to go back up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Bookmarks. I'm going to click on Bookmarks. And now mine says Show Bookmarks Toolbar. I'm going to click on Show Bookmarks Toolbar. Now my Bookmarks Toolbar has reappeared. That is how to hide or show the Bookmarks Toolbar in the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.